Okay, so we have Abhijit here, and now we are going to talk about public display of affection. So, public display of affection has been a very controversial topic because we see that earlier generation and even people of this generation have a lot of problem with it. But we also see that if we allow public display of affection, it should also be in a limit. So, what is your stand on that?
Okay, so first I would like to counter question that what is more important according to you, love or fear, hatred?
I think definitely love is the most important thing that humanity has developed.
Okay, so yeah, so to follow on the same point, if you also think that love is the most important thing, then we have been seeing that people are being beaten on road, they are being scolded, abused at times, and murdered very rarely, but yeah, it happens. So if that kind of hatred can happen on road in public, and you are allowing that, in fact, you find people, observing the thing and not taking an action, then what's the point when you see people hugging and then objecting them?
Yes, exactly. But the thing is that what I think, I have a positive attitude towards this, but I think the people who have a problem with it is because they think that it is affecting the mentality of the current generation, or maybe they want to have different values for their kids. So when they see something like that, it restricts, it interferes with their right to have the values that they want in their children. So I personally think that that is the reason, or maybe I think that the people who have a problem with it is have so because they did not do the same things that the other people are doing. So maybe they think that it is wrong in some sense, that they are doing something different, or they are not living the life that they have lived. So that's why they have a problem with it.
Okay, talking about both the things, may it be the issue with the values, or may it be the issue with the kind of life they dreamed of but were not able to reach. So that may be the reason to object this thing. But again, change is what should be consistent, and so we need to have a change over these values, because the society and the environment is changing drastically, and if you keep on following those orthodox kind of mentality, then I think we are restricting our social development in some or the other way. So that is something I would say that fine, our elder generation, our previous generation was not that prevalent and was not that supportive to this kind of culture. But somewhere showing affection, I like hugging someone or kissing someone is not something which is going to harm someone in one or the other way. So doing that and allowing people to do that is something which will basically help in building harmony instead of doing something bad to the society or anything else. So I think it should not be supported to the level, yeah, exactly. But again, it should be allowed.
Not get violent on this topic.
People want to go with it,
yeah,
that's their life.
But we also think that there is also a flip side to the coin, because of course hugging is a great gesture, and kissing is also, it's fine with me. But even I wouldn't want people to start having sex on road. I think that we should have a limit on that. Do you think that we should have any kind of restriction or any kind of limit on to what extent we can have this affection?
Okay, so I'll tell you the same thing with other perspective. The thing is that more freedom you are given, it comes with the responsibility. If you find that your parents are free with you, you will actually restrict yourself doing some things because they put their faith in you. If they restrict you, you'll find yourself doing things which they actually don't expect from your side. That's what is with everyone. Okay, so if you allow that kind of freedom, then only someone who is that mad and is not able to take a responsibility to build a harmonic nature will do something to that level, having sex on road or something like that. People do know that what is restricted and till what limit it is restricted. The thing is, if someone wants to go with a hug or kiss, it should not be objected. Again, if they are given with this freedom, I am sure that they'll take the responsibility that it should be limited to a certain extent. That's how things work, and that's how it should work.
Yes, I think that is a very good point, that we want to do things that are objected. We want to go against everything that is told us. So I think that is a very good point, and also that the point that I have made before, that now we are questioning what is happening in the society, and now we are taking a change for it. So thank you for your opinion and contribution, and I hope that we have an optimistic future.
Yeah.
And thanks a lot.
Thank you.